Is expected to be a high impact blizzard winter storm across southwest Wisconsin today on this February day. We've had about between 1/4 and 1/2 inch of ice. You can probably see the ice on the trees there, and we're gonna see how bad this actually gets. Not too bad yet, just finally made the change over to snow, but there it is. Kids, fucking skating pond out there. That's what it is. Not a good day to be going into work. Not a good day to be going into church neither, even though it's Sunday. You go to church on a day like that, you might just end up on display up in front of church in the box. You know, that's what could happen there. You end up in church alright. They'll be propping open them double back doors. Goddamn right. That's what could happen. Anyway, there it is. Blizzard. Well, not yet, but could be a blizzard. We'll see what happens. There it is. Kids. And here we have what has definitely progressed into a blizzard. You can definitely call that a blizzard right now. Snow, blowing snow, near zero visibility at times. There you've got it. A major winter blizzard on this February day. Major winter storm there, kids. Blizzard conditions, and probably picked up 4 or 5 inches of snow just during the morning hours. Just checking out our blizzard a little bit more. Major winter snowstorm going on here.